Now, here we got a regular king smoking room in the Oceans. You know, you first walk in, got your door. You know, 420 gambler, you know why? So, you know, you gotta put that towel under the door. You got your mirror right here. You can get your little drip check on, you feel me? You come in, first thing you see is the bathroom. You know, I got in late last night. I didn't want to do a room review in the dark. You got your his and hers sinks. You got your walk-in shower. Got a little office here. Sorry, it looked crazy. I just woke up. Got you a little fridge, see-through fridge, some drawers, random shit, marble counter, flat screen. I guess this is what you would consider, you know, an ocean view, but you know, it's kind of nasty outside, but you do have a good little view. You see the other little town over there. You look down, see the little patio for the oceans and the beach.